So METOWARE, they have tons and tons of towing and hauling goodies. This one they sent me, and I use it regularly with my flatbed trailer. We can see just a little bit of use on that red plating right there, but it's a nice shiny ball underneath. Now, one of the really nice things about this is the lock. So the lock is protected, and it has this plus a little pin, and then it pulls out super easy. However, it is 5/8. This is a 2-inch receiver, but for my Velociraptor, it needs a 1/2-inch tow bolt or hitch bolt or hitch lock, and this is too big. I was fighting it, but eventually I had to get this one myself. And there's some cool things that we have here. One, again, is the lock. Now, this is METOWARE, this is METOWARE. They use a different lock or a different key, so you won't be able to just use the same one. However, one of the cool things that we have is if I come in here, unlock that, it'll work on the 5/8 one that comes in the kit, and it's the same key for these two. Plus, because it is the same design, you can take this lock and put it on another one. That way you can just have one key for everything, which is really nice. But all in all, this is a fantastic little hook. And the cool thing is, it's all nice and protected. So it's going to last you a long time. It's going to keep things secured and locked and make sure that nobody can jack your stuff.